Welcome today to our discussion on single-step conversions using unit analysis. Unit analysis is a technique that's oftentimes used in science to convert units, and it's also used extensively in chemistry. So to get you ready for that, we're going to learn how to do single-step conversions today. And today we're going to focus just on single-step conversions. We'll do multiple-step conversions in the future. So let's get started. So a single-step conversion involves something like inches being converted into something like centimeters. Here, inches to centimeters. Now, what's happened is we've measured the table at 34.6 inches high, and now we need to know how long that is in centimeters. So we need to convert this inches into however many centimeters that's equal to. So to do that, we're going to use unit analysis. This technique starts by writing the number you know, this one 34.6 inches, over 1. That way you can see that it's a fraction. So I put inches over 1. Now this over 1 step is actually optional. If you don't want to do it, you don't have to. It just reminds me that the inches are on top, not on bottom. Now in order to convert from inches to centimeters, I need to get rid of these inches and just have centimeters left. So in unit analysis, we do that by setting up another fraction. Now if I want to cancel these inches out, the next inch has to go on bottom of this fraction. So I know to put inches down here so that inch and that inch can cancel. And that leaves centimeters for the top. So far so good? Now in order to do this, we actually know how many centimeters are an inch or how many inches are in a centimeter. To do that, we look at our conversion table, which looks like this. Now if we look on our conversion table, we can find a conversion that has inches and centimeters in it, that has these two things. If we look on here, sure enough, right there is the conversion. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. Now we go back to our problem, we add that in, and we say, okay, the 1 goes with the inch, 1 inch, and the 2.54 goes with centimeters. 2.54, sorry, that got a little bit sloppy there. 2.54 centimeters. Yeah, actually I can erase. Let's just rewrite that real quick. So 2.54 centimeters, 1 inch. Now we can cancel out the ones that cancel. Here, the inches and inches cancel. Notice the 34.6 doesn't cancel. There's not another 34.6 on the bottom anywhere. But the inches do cancel, leaving just centimeters. And that is the answer we want. Now, in order to do this math, we got to know some rules. We always start out by typing the first number in, into our calculator right here. And then we look at the next number and we say, okay, is that number on top or is it on bottom? In this case, the 2.54 is on top. And when it's on top, when the number is on top, we multiply. Right? And when the number is on bottom, we divide. That's just a good rule of thumb. That's just basic math. And we know that if we look at this example and we say that, hey, 3 here, here, and here, this is 3 times 2 divided by 4, not 3 divided by 2 times 4. So numbers on top are multiplied, numbers on bottom are divided. It's not some special math just for unit analysis. It's the same math you've been learning all along. All right. So now when we do this work, we take 34.6, type in our calculator. This number's on top, so we hit times. We can ignore the ones because ones don't really change anything, but you could do 34.6 divided by 1 times 2.54 divided by 1. But those two divided by 1s won't change anything. Our answer then is 87.9 centimeters. Okay? And that's how you do unit analysis with single-step conversions. Now I want to ask a quick question to you. I want to ask you which one is longer, 34.6 inches, 87.9 centimeters, or are they the same length? I want you to click on your screen, click on one of these options on your screen, and that will take you to the next step of the video. So go ahead and click. Okay, click now. You still haven't clicked. Okay, you can click. Click. You're running out of time. Better click fast. Hurry. Choose, 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 choose. Oh, you're out of time. Good luck, my friends.